everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining us. I'm here again with Mr. Lodi. So again, I'm going to keep this very short. Let's get straight into the lesson. So it's over to you, Mr. Lodi.
Thank you so much. And today we're gonna be discussing something about Medium Kherwa because last time we did Medium Kherwa, only the basic beat. But today we're gonna be expanding it, and we're gonna be doing some fillers as well as a transition.
Okay.
You know what? Transition is the most important thing. Later on in future, whatever you are adding in the beat, transition will be there, and it has to be on point. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is something we have to give a proper time, and once we are able to play the transition, then we'll be able to connect anything with the medium Kherwa.
Okay.
Right. So first of all, let me show you how the transition sounds, and later on after that I'll explain how to play.
Yeah.
Just a moment, let me just set my camera. Yeah, there we go. Transition. So you're allowed to play the transition right in the beginning of the beat,
Sure. Okay.
as well as whatever you're playing in the beat, whether it is a filler, variation, or anything, you'll have to play the transition right after that.
Right.
Huh?
Okay.
Let me show it to you. The transition is dhi tina tit dhina. And one more thing, you'll have to play this transition just for once.
Right.
Huh? You're not allowed to repeat it again and again.
Okay.
Okay. What I mean to say, like dhi tina tit dhina dit dhina tit. So I've just played this just for once. Okay. And as I'm playing right in the beginning, so instead of playing like this, I'm playing it looks way better. Okay.
Yeah.
So first of all, let me explain how to play this transition. Ultimately, this transition is another form of the basic beat dhit dhina tit dhina. From this dhit dhina tit dhina, we have made transition dhi tina tit dhina.
Yeah.
In the beat dhit dhina tit dhina, we have two halves. First half is dhit dhina, second half is tit dhina. In the transition, we are just changing the first half from dhit dhina. We are making dhi tina. Second half is same, tit dhina. Got that?
Yeah.
Now, when it comes to play, dhi, thapki plus open bass at the same time. Dhi. Not bad. Dhi.
Okay.
After that, there's a little pause. Dhi, ti, na. And look at this. Ti is very soft as compared to dhi, because dhi is a proper thapki.
Yeah.
Right. Dhi, ti, na. Dhi, ti, na. This is just the first half.
Okay. Dhi, ti, na.
Beautiful.
Dhi, ti, na. Oops, sorry.
Not bad.
Dhi, ti, na. Okay. Sure.
Second half is the same. Ti, ta, di, na. I'm showing you the bass side over here. Ti, ta, di, na.
Di, da, di, na.
Bass index along with ta.
Okay, yeah. So it's di, da, di, na.
Beautiful. Let's just combine them together. Di, ti, na, ti, ti, di, na.
Okay. Di, di, na, di, da, di, na.
Beautiful. Almost there. Almost there. One more time.
Di, di, na,
Na.
di, di, na, di, da, di, na.
Got that.
Okay.
Perfect. So this is the transition, and we are allowed to play right in the beginning. Di, ti, na, ti, ti, di, ti, ti, di, na, ti, ti, di, na. Let's add a filler. Age, tirikit, tak, tak, tirikit, di, ti, na, ti, ti, di, na. So as you can see, right after the filler, we have to play this transition.
Yeah, okay. So we've done that before, haven't we, in our last lesson? So yeah.
Yes, that is why when we did tirikit lesson, this was the third exercise. Tage, tirikit, tak, tak, tirikit. And now that's why we did this one, because now we are going to be applying this practically with the beat.
Okay.
So if you remember, tage, tirikit, tak, tak, tirikit, right? Tage, tirikit, tak, tak, One more time. Beautiful. So filler is also something that we play just for once.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
We never repeat it. So now look at the sequence. First the transition, right in the beginning, the beat, dina, filler, and there's no compulsion that you have to play for 1 cycle, 2 cycle, or 3 cycle. It's
Okay.
up to you.
Okay.
Keep playing the beat. Whenever you feel to play the filler, you are allowed to play anytime. Okay, so the transition, the beat, filler, transition again, and the beat.
Okay. Sure.
So this is the sequence. Now let me show it to you. Another filler. This is almost similar.
Yeah. Sounds a
Almost
lot.
similar.
Sounds
Yeah.
very complicated.
So ultimately, the Tage Tirkit Tak Tak Tirkit was just 4-beat filler, and now this one is 8-beat filler, and Tage Tirkit Tak Tak Tirkit. Now we are adding 2 Tak Tak Tirkits more,
Right. Yeah.
and it became Tage Tirkit Tak Tak Tirkit Tak Tak Tirkit Tak Tak Tirkit. After that transition and the beat. Got that?
Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
Okay. So the full sequence one more time. D D na ti ti din di ti di na ti ti din. Tage Tirkit Tak Tak Tirkit di di na ti ti din di ti di na ti ti din. Ti ti din di ti din na ti ti din. Tage Tirkit Tak Tak Tirkit Tak Tak Tirkit Tak Tak Tirkit di di na ti ti din di ti di na ti ti din. Got that?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I've got it. Yeah. It's a lot. It's a lot, I think, but I'll definitely practice, and I think I'll get it. Yeah.
Oh yeah. So you got three things to practice. Transition to fillers. You are
Yeah.
already used to with the fillers, but now when it comes to play with the beat, it gets difficult and complicated.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Because now you need to maintain multiple things at a time,
Mm-hmm.
right? So you need to be careful with the tempo. Try to play slow, okay? Don't try to go fast.
Yeah.
Because it always happen, very important thing, whatever we are playing in the beat, like the filler or something, it has to be almost double in speed.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so we need to just keep it in our mind when we are playing the beat. So we need to play slow so that we'll be able to add the filler comfortably.
Yeah.
If our beat is already too fast, we won't be able to add the filler.
Okay. Could you show me what kind of pace you think it's good to practice at? Is that something?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
for a beginner, suppose you are doing this sequence for the very first time, this is where you need to practice. D T na ti ti D na di ti D na ti ti D ta ge ti ri ti ti tak tak ti ri ki ti D T na ti ti D na di ti D na ti ti ta ge ti ri ki ti tak tak ti ri ki ti tak tak ti ri ki ti tak tak ti ri ki ti D T na ti ti D na di. Right? So this is the
Great.
nice sweet spot to practice.
Okay.
This is not too slow and not too fast. Okay.
Right. Great. Okay.
So I guess that's it for today's session.
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem. And it was very important session. Hopefully, you'll do it easily till our next class, and we are gonna be expanding it more in our next upcoming class.
Okay, great. Okay, well, thank you very much. I've got a lot to learn. I'm definitely gonna watch the video back, make sure that I get that down. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much to Mr. Anuj Lodi again. Such a great privilege to have you here. Thank you, and we will see you all next time.